study notice.
Yes. Take.
Notice. Lordship, with your permission, speaking in Bengali.
Yes, certainly.
লর্ডশিপ, আমি যেটা কালকে মেনশন করেছিলাম, মানডে ইভিনিং এ অ্যারাউন্ড 7:10-7:15 নাগাদ একজন ব্যক্তি আমার বাড়িতে আসে, শ্যামবাজারের বাড়িতে। ভদ্রলোকের নাম গৌতম রায়। উনি পরিচয় দেন, উনি বোটানিক্যাল গার্ডেন PS হাওড়া সিটি পুলিশের সিভিক ভলেন্টিয়ার। এবার তখন আমার মা জিজ্ঞেস করেন যে হঠাৎ এখানে, তখন উনি বলেন যে একটি রিট পিটিশন চলছে, তো আমি কি রোহনরার সঙ্গে কথা বলতে পারি? তো আমি বাড়িতে ছিলাম না। তো তখন আমার মাকে বলেন যে আপনি কি কাইন্ডলি ওনাকে রিকোয়েস্ট করবেন এই কেসটা তুলে নিতে, কারণ এটা কোনো প্রবলেম হচ্ছে। তখন আমার মা বললেন আমি তো বুঝতে পারছি না, আমি অ্যাভেলেবেল ছিলাম না বাড়িতে। ইন দ্যাট কেস তখন মা বললেন আপনি একটু দাঁড়ান, আমি তাহলে লোকাল পিএসকে ফোন করছি। মানে আমার মা একটু ভয় পেয়ে যান। তখন উনি পাল্টা বলেন যে দেখুন, এটা তো ইলংগেট করে কোনো লাভ নেই, ভবিষ্যতে কিন্তু প্রবলেম হতে পারে। 376-417 মামলা, তো তোমার মা টেকনিক্যালিটিস বুঝতে পারিনি 376-417 মামলা কি হতে। তখন আমার মা হারিডলি তাড়াতাড়ি করে ফোন করতে যান। ইন দ্য মিন টাইম ভদ্রলোক চলে যান। এবার লর্ডশিপ, আমাদের বাড়ির আগে একটা বাঁদিকে একটা সিসিটিভি ক্যামেরা আছে। আমরা চেষ্টা করছি এটা রিট্রিভ করা, যদি আমি এখন করতে পারিনি, কারণ ওটা একটা শপের। তো সেটা আমি রিকোয়েস্ট করেছি, কারণ ওই সিসিটিভিটা পেলে ইট উইল বি মোর অথেন্টিক কে ছিল ভদ্রলোক। নাম তো বলেছেন আমি গৌতম রায়, এখন সত্যি কি মিথ্যে সেটা তো আমরা নিজেরা বুঝতে পারছি না। এটা হয়েছে মানডে ইভিনিং, সেটা আমি কালকে মেনশন করেছিলাম লর্ডশিপ।
The matter was mentioned.
Yes, sir, I have told that. And my officer has no knowledge. My officer is present.
That means nobody from the police went to his house.
Or because I'm hearing this for the first time.
Yes.
So I will, when I make a submission, I have to have some authority.
Yes.
I will even, I've already asked this. She does not know any person by the name of Gautam Roy from this. So, but she will cross-check. May I do this, and I'll come back and after I get the clear.
Because the matter was directed to appear in the list
Because there's no reason.
1 week after the vacation. Right. So it was put on the list only upon his mentioning that he is being threatened to withdraw the case. This should not be.
No. If it is true, because because as far as the state is concerned, why should any police officer want to threaten the person concerned?
No, the police is being activated at the instance of somebody.
Let me find out, because
Please do.
Gautam Roy,
He says it's Gautam Roy.
Gautam Roy, the civic volunteer attached to which police station?
AGC Bose Bigani police station, where the FIR is lodged.
As that's why
Please.
there's a
Please
Gautam
come.
Roy attached to AGC Bose police station. And I'll come back.
The cause of action arose within the AJC Bose Road police station.
FIR was at AGC Bose police station, 243/23 of them.
And you stay here in Shambazar.
I stay, lordship, my ancestral house is in Shambazar, Hatibagan, but I stay in Keshtapur. My flat is in Keshtapur.
All right.
He has gone to, that person has gone to Shambhaji.
Shambazar, Hatibagan.
Says
According to him.
the
Just find out whether there's a Gautam.
The matter has appeared in the list upon mentioning by the petitioner appearing in person that a person claiming himself to be Gautam Roy, a civic volunteer attached to the AJC Bose Road.
Lordship, AGC Bose B Garden police station.
AJC Bose B Garden police station. কি বললাম ওখানটা? Yes, ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে. Visited his residential house at Shambazar and Shambazar and spoke to his mother and spoke to his mother when he was not in the house. Stop. The said Gautam Roy intimated the mother of the petitioner that the petitioner may fall in trouble if he proceeds with the instant writ petition. Stop. A threat has been given to the petitioner for implicating him in false criminal cases if he continues with the instant writ petition.
And Lordship, one more submission. Already in between this writ petition, one more FIR has been filed. 86/2024 at Howrah Sodor PS.
For what?
For the same section, 509, 506, 195A. It is already annexed. In between this writ petition only that has been filed.
May I see it one second?
Yes.
Now, local registration has got nothing to do with the matter. Because now it's been taken over by the detective department. So, I find it quite strange. Why should a local police station bother about withdrawing?
No, it's not he doing it independently. He is acting at the instance of somebody.
It is that the instance somebody. I find out first of all whether
This is.
And yes, said that he can get the CCTV.
I will try my best to get
Let him
this.
get his CCTV.
Sure.
Acha. The petitioner submits that. Similar threats were given out earlier, and FIR has been registered.
Lordship, I have not registered the FIR. FIR has been registered by the police.
Obviously,
FIR
how can you register?
No, I'm just making sure in Howrah Sodor PS during the writ petition.
One more thing, since here, I'm very embarrassed to say this thing. Whatever, but I am not nothing to do with that. The allegations are that he sends letters to the lady's office.
What do you do?
Lordship, I'm working with Capgemini as a vice president.
You are working as?
With Capgemini, a private company,
Yes.
as a vice president in legal and financial department.
And the
Legal and financial department. How are you connected with this lady?
Lordship, 2 years back, there was a matrimonial relationship with the lady.
Matrimonial relationship.
Yeah, we met through matrimony website, shadi.com, and there was a dispute arose, a financial dispute arose between us.
Did you all marry?
No.
Not yet.
No.
So, the marriage did not take place.
No, the marriage did not take place.
Who is threatening whom?
actually the complaints are that through a matrimonial website, then the lady found out that he had a marital status. That's why she's not continued. Now this gentleman was eager to continue the relationship. Thereafter, he started sending her vulgar material, letters, and other things. And that is the basis
That is the complaint of the lady.
of the lady on the basis of the FIR that stuff. I'm not getting into all that. But this is the last FIR that is again to envelopes were sent to branch officer, managers of the bank, making
Bank? Which bank?